Here are 6 main hinges that we use. The first one, half overlay. Second one, full overlay. And this one is inside overlay. 155-degree hinge, 180-degree hinge, and the hinge for the slim profile glass door. The first one, half overlay, here has a curve, and the second one, full overlay, is flat. The third one, inside overlay, the curve is bigger. If you compare it with the half overlay, you can see the curve is bigger and is taller than the half overlay. And this one is 155-degree. It's a giant hinge, and you can see there's a big curve. This one is 180-degree. It will be installed like this. The last one is for slim profile glass door. It's tiny, and here has 2 screw holes right here.